To YouTube, it's your main man, OG Kicks, coming at you live from the Sneaker Stash in the DMV. And today, man, we just got some real quick pickups, man. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the Sneakers app. Little backstory, man. I said I was gonna get these joints when they go on sale, but they never went on sale. So, you know, the FOMO, no FOMO. It's like, now the FOMO kicked in, man, and man, I just went on there and grabbed it, man. Something like it was surprising. And I knew this colorway was gonna move, but I didn't know that it was gonna be sold out. You know what I'm saying? Bye y'all, man. We got the black and red one box, a little ashy, straight from Sneakers app. Colorway Air Jordan 1 Element, cement gray, dark charcoal, size 11. First one pair, man. So we got fit in the top. The swoosh, lot number. Put the swoosh right there. You guys come wrapped like a Subway sandwich. You know what I'm saying? You come wrapped up like Jersey Mike's. Bye y'all, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 High GORTEX bread joints, man. Got the red and black on the outer sole. Yes, sir. Coming up, like I said, got the white mid, got the red GORTEX. You know what I'm saying? On the side of this heel, got this black GORTEX. Like winterized material, leather materialized, whatever you want to call it, leather going around the upper, man. You got this in outboss, like a stamp. I feel like you can peel it. Wings logo on the side, on your ankle. You got this around your collar, around the collar, man. You got this leather material again. It's a little darker than this right below it. It's stuff. Like tissue paper, of course. And damn, they doubled up on the tissue paper. Two tissue. These are size 11 though. So got GORTEX on this shoe. And under this sandwich, on this you got Nike Air, right? Nike Air inside here. With the size on there. Like a nice floor, nice copy for your feet. Got your GORTEX sticker. And a little hang tag, and this is GORTEX scan to learn about sustainability. Okay, yep. It's your production sticker, 6/18/23 to 9/8/23, size 11. That's a UK 10, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, decent shoe. You know what I'm saying? Of course, like I said, bread colorway, man. I was hoping they'd go on sale, but you know what I'm saying, around the holidays, I guess people just start grabbing them. I don't know, I wouldn't detail out because like they sold out. I was like, wow, the first GORTEX to ever sell out. They had to put in that bread colorway, so they got them right with these. Obviously, a lot of people felt that way. Like I said, I even had to just go ahead and grab them before they be gone, and I'd be like, dang. I was saying I could have got them joints for the low. Cause, you know, once they completely sold out, I got these off Sneakers. You can still find them on Sneakers. Try to find some kind of promo code or something. You know what I'm saying? Save. And yeah, cause it is a bad weather shoe. Now, you can wear it on a beautiful day, but this is one of them shoes you just save for a bad weather type day. You know, unenjoyable for human consumption day. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. But other than that, man, like I said, and then you got these right here coming out. Well, not these, but the Jordan 1 highs. I'm good with these, the GORTEX. These are the GORTEX curries. You know, as the curry, the pepper, not the seasoning, not chef. But yeah, these so you know, having these still in good condition. I need a little wipe down, but you know, it's like, I don't know, they coming out with 180, all that. You can get them. These are the Yellow Orchard 1 highs get ready to drop. They either today or soon. Sometime soon, the Yellow Jordan 1 highs get ready to drop. I'm good on those as I got these. And those are below retail. So I would definitely go that route. I seen on StockX they're going for like 160 maybe, something like that. Could be lower. Jada Sneaker got the code currently not working right now. But you still be able to grab those for the low. Find out the promo codes out there. And get your jump. So I'm good on those ones because of these. And yeah, grab these. Yeah, they serious too. They still got their Jordan 1 smell. It's smelling like a bomb. But yeah, man, I'm going to slap these Jones on the turntable one time for y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just for content, you know, so y'all see how they look. And up close and personal. And get me from in front of the camera for a second. And then we're going to end this video off, man. Hang in there, cuz. Hold tight, cuz. Hold fast, cuz. All right, see the box. You know what I'm saying? Lot number. Swoosh. Got your little sticker right there. Like I said, both pairs will come double stuffed. 2 separate stuffing papers inside. See the GORTEX, Nike Air on that one. You got the red fading to the black, fading back out to the red on the outer. Got your white midsole with the red and black on the bottom, showing through the front. And this swoosh don't really look 3M on this camera. You let me know. I got the flash on, so it don't really look too much 3M to me. I don't know. But here you get this. Here you got your gray, your GORTEX type material. You got this ashy black. Got this dark smoked out black, jet black. And the toe pads right here. Got your gray tongue. Got your black laces. Got your red GORTEX right there. GORTEX thing hangs side tag. That's the inside of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Decent. This bumpy treated material right here. Going crazy. Yeah. Alright, let's get up out of here, cuz. Alright, just like that, we out of here, fam. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 1 high elements, man. The FOMO game's real out here. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for stopping through. I can age out your shoe size. Treat yourself. Never cheat yourself. God bless, man. Catch y'all next one. Peace.